is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cooking, cleaning, decorating. I'll be doing all kinds of things. So if you guys are interested to see what I'm going to be doing today, then go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I'm currently upstairs in my beauty room. I've been kind of like playing around with how I want this corner to look. I've been debating if I want to order like an oversized chair with an ottoman, or just keep the little fat sack, or get a different rug. Like I've just been contemplating, how much different stuff I want to buy, but really I probably shouldn't be buying all kinds of new crap, so I decided to just, switch it up, get rid of the blanket. I used to have this blanket on here, and it's just like really dark and like, I don't know. So what I did was just get like a light blanket and just put that up here. I got a new pillow. I'll probably just keep the rug for now. I definitely want to get a new end table. I'm not a huge fan of this one, and yeah, nothing really much else to say about it other than I do want a new end table. So I think I'm gonna leave that how it is. I did order a little ottoman. It's not even really ottoman, it's like a little poof. And it's seriously gonna match so good in here, and I'm so excited for it. I'll have to like insert a little picture so you guys can see it, but it will seriously like tie this little corner together, and I'm really excited because it's gonna be so cute. Another thing that I want to get for up here for my school stuff, I want to get like maybe a little shelf right here for my books and school stuff, so it's not all like kind of laying on the floor. Or I thought about getting a little bookshelf and like hanging a shelf up here, but I don't know, my textbooks are heavy. I feel like I should just have like a little floor shelf or something, I don't know. But definitely trying to get some stuff done up here because I feel like I'm not up here a lot, and I just want to kind of like get used to being up here again and like being a little cute environment, and I don't know. So as for my desk area, I'm pretty much going to keep this the same. Sorry, it looks a little crazy over here. I got my school stuff up here. Speaking of, this is literally the best thing ever. It's like a rolling bag. It's like a suitcase, and you can just wheel your school stuff around. It's a lifesaver for oh my gosh, I can't talk. It is a lifesaver for nursing students. If you guys are interested, I can link this down in the description box. I found this on Amazon, and I freaking love it. Best idea ever. I fit so much stuff in here. I fit my laptop, textbooks, binders, notebook, my planner. That's not my planner, that's just a notebook. But my planner and all kinds of like pens and highlighters. This opens up on the front, so I even have more like organizational things in here. Sticky notes and stuff in here, so literally the best find ever. It was a little pricey. I think it was maybe like 50, 60 bucks, somewhere around there, or 70, I don't really remember, but seriously, so good. As for this area of my beauty room, I just feel like this has to change. I don't know what I don't like about it. It's definitely these red curtains. Those have to go. I'm gonna get some white curtains or something, or white blinds. I don't know if I want like a new storage thing for makeup. I really do like my vanity, so I don't know. I don't know if I should get something from IKEA for my vanity, because I kind of like this theme over here, but I don't know what I want to do. But I kind of miss like the IKEA drawers and stuff, because I feel like I have a lot going on up here. That's actually why I bought this basket. I bought this basket because I wanted to like store some of my hair and stuff, or some of my hair products and stuff in here. So I'm gonna probably do that.
know, why do I let you in? Throwing words, I let them hurt, let them under my skin. Where do we go, where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now, even though we're better off apart? I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be love time until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head like.
So this is my living room currently. Hi puppies. We decided to get rid of the couch that we bought, if you guys watched my last video, because long story short, we bought it off the swap. It had animals on it and we didn't really know about it, and it was very strong, but we couldn't tell that it was strong until after the fact of like when we already bought it and left the chick and everything. So get a new couch for in here at some point. So when I feel like this is at a better point in my house, I feel like I might do a home tour, just because my fiance and I, we will be probably moving once I'm done with school, because we love our home, but it's pretty small and it's definitely bigger than any house that we've owned in general, because my house is such a mess, I'm sorry. But I want like a huge dining room, somewhere where we can have family over and stuff. And just like, it just seems crammed in the kitchen. Like my dream is just have like a huge kitchen with like an island and huge storage and all this stuff. So dreams, right?
Trying to put a needle through some thread after the flames, still wearing your name. All you are is a tattoo on my heart, heart, heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Blame on you, blame on me, all over nothing. Black and gold, disposable, could have been something. Where do we go, where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now, even though we're better off apart? I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be love time until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head like. Trying to put a needle through some thread after the flames, still wearing your name. All you are is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart.
morning, you guys. Looking crazy and homeless as always. Doing quite a bit of things today. My goal is to get this white chicken chili in the crock pot, do a workout, get ready for the day, probably do some homework, continue to film. That's about it, I think. So, oh, my nails look so bad. But yeah, I just wanted to share what I'm doing, and if you guys want to keep watching, keep on watching. So when I went ahead and was making this white chicken chili, I was using hard, dry beans. I didn't realize you had to let those soak overnight or for a few hours before you actually cook them. So I had to like super cook the white chicken chili. So it wasn't like a soup consistency. It was more of like a, I don't know, it was very thick. It had a lot of beans, and I definitely will just like leave a recipe for you guys down below because I didn't really follow one. I just kind of threw some stuff together. But definitely not how I wanted it to turn out, but it was still pretty good. Just definitely soak your beans if you're not using canned beans. So as you guys can see, we ended up getting a new couch. And long story short, we ended up going to my grandparents' house for a birthday party for one of our family members, and I didn't know that they were getting rid of their couches. Sorry if you hear my tiptoeing dog in the background. But yeah, we ended up buying the couches off my grandparents, and it just worked out really well. And we already had Emilio's truck with us, so we just loaded it up and took it home with us. So I just got a couple packages off of Amazon and a couple other places, and I just wanted to share them with you if you guys are interested.
Even though we're floating weightless in the solar, the planet feels heavy right now. Don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel. The power is magic. Don't make a habit when you're so fragile. Gotta stay in the light, keep a high vibe to be effective. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep.
Chance to put these curtains up. But I just wanted to show them to you guys because they're really nice. I ended up getting a white color, and I know it's like a beigey tan color in here, but eventually I'm going to paint this entire room white and do something completely different. So I just thought to get white curtains. These are blackout, so they have these like black liner on the backside to block out light, which I don't really need. I just wanted to not have sheer white curtains. I wanted them to be solid enough because I get ready up in this room and my neighbors can see through my window, and yeah, I get changed a lot up here, so I wanted to have something that somebody can't really see through. But that is it for this video. Ooh, excuse me. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So I definitely need to go to bed. It's like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just so beyond tired. I did so much schoolwork today. Got a lot of stuff done, and I'm pooped. My skin is pooped too, if you guys can't tell. I'm breaking out a little on my face. Above my lip here is irritated. I got a couple zits that are finally going away on my forehead. And yeah, life of a nursing student. Alright guys, I'm going to bed. I'm so tired. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!